Hey, it's Nick, Montana Affordable 4x4s here in Butte, Montana, 1407 Harrison Avenue. Here's a 2015 Dodge Ram with 92,000 miles on it. It is a 5.7 liter 1500 4x4. Excellent condition, clean Carfax, been through the repair shop, everything's been checked out, it's ready to go. Come down, check it out. There's going to be a post and pre lift price. This one is scheduled to go in to Les Schwab and get a professional lift kit, tires and wheels installed on it. That's about a week from now, so it's available as is. Otherwise, in a week it's going in to get exhaust work, accessories, and a lift kit put on it, and it'll be beautiful. So call me for a price. We can work out something before it goes in, we can work out something after. Most of the trucks that are coming in now are going to be newer. A lot of them will be going in for lifts and accessories. You can visit them at montanaaffordablefourbys.com, or you can come down and check it out on site. Go for a test drive and let's talk about terms and pricing. See if we can get you into an affordable 4x4 you can count on. 1407 Harrison Avenue, Butte, Montana.